Hey everyone, Murray5 here. Today I thought I'd show something that's pretty cool. I've never really done this in the past, and it's a feature that is in the Power Platform that allows you to draw a form and then have that uploaded into the Power Platform as a Power App, and then it recognizes the form and it will build the form for you. So this is, I thought I'd do this live and show you how it works because it's pretty cool. Let's design our form. I'm just going to use my Sharpie here and I'm just going to draw the Power App form that I want directly here on the page. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to say that this is a maintenance request. And I'm using a large font here because I want this to be a heading. Now I'm going to add a description of what I want to do. So I'll give some instructions here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I want to uh, gather some information here. So I'm going to get allow the user to select the asset ID and then also the location ID. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say asset ID, location ID. Now for this I want to have a drop down. So I'm going to go out to here and I'm just going to create a drop down box and we'll put some sample data here. And then we'll put a drop down here for the location. Now, also what I want to do is I want to add a description. And let's just make that a long box that we can then type information into. Then what I'll do is I'm going to say, what is my, there, my request type. And then I'll make that a drop down as well, which we can populate later on. And then let's say what our severity is. And this is low. Then finally what we'll do is I'll just add maybe a fault code. And let's just make that a text box. So now that we've got all the information here, then let's also add a submit button. We'll plop that down here. So this is my form that I'm going to go out and I'm going to turn into a Power App. Now that we've got the design, what I did is I took a screenshot of the design and saved it away so that I can import it into PowerApps. So if I go out into PowerApps and I'm in the create option, then I can go out and create a image or use the image as the source for the PowerApp. So I'm just going to do that and I'm going to step through this. And then I'm going to say that this is a maintenance request. And then I'm going to choose my file. So I've got my file here, my screenshot, saying that I want to create this as a phone or a tablet. I'll create it as a tablet instead of a phone app. And then I'm just going to go next. So what it's now done, it's analyzed all of these and it's found all the headings for me. It's found the drop-down boxes. And then it's also got the different fault codes here. And I could go out and if I want to, I could see all the items here. And then I can even go out and add items if it doesn't recognize anything. So that looks good. I'm just going to continue on. I won't create a Dataverse table for this just yet, and I'll just go out and create the app. So it's going out and creating it, and in just a couple of seconds, then I should have a nice new maintenance request app with a submit button, and it needs a little bit of tidying up on the fonts and so forth, but it does run, and we've got a location ID. We can even go out and pull up our request type and our severity, and then submit it and fill in information. So that's pretty cool that I can go out and just create a design and then import it in, and then PowerApps will take all of that information. So how cool is that? I just went out, created a drawing of an app, just using a Sharpie and some pieces of paper, and now I've got a Power App that is running in the system. So thought this was interesting, and I hope this is interesting to you all. And if you have any questions, then you can catch me up on social media and all of the other places that I hang around.